Can you do a global lot recall in minutes? We can. A lot recall just hit. Your RTSM shows affected sites, but what about unassigned finished product? Raw materials still in manufacturing? You're now hunting through multiple systems and spreadsheets, burning precious time, putting your studies at risk. But with SmartSignals Supplies, here's what happens. First, complete lot visibility. Finished product across all your trials and raw materials, all in one view within GXP inventory. Second, instant quarantine. All stock immediately blocked from upstream use and patient allocation. With individual study RTSM systems automatically updated. Third, supply chain replenishment. New packs assigned to individual studies, immediate shipments triggered, depots and sites restocked. Finally, forward planning. Manufacturing plans reviewed and adjusted to prevent future shortages using forecasting and planning. Done. In minutes, not days. Accurate global recall complete. Complete visibility, instant action, total confidence. That's the difference between managing a crisis and preventing one.